Now, the Premier Soccer League has added a new twist to the Marumo Gallants and Moroka Swallows saga. As you guys know, I reported a few months ago that David Mohashwa, former owner of Moroka Swallows, wanted his status back because he claimed that Abram Sello was still owing him the balance of the 40 million sale agreement, meaning 20 million rand was still outstanding. So he went to the High Court and asked for a court order so that it grants the Premier Soccer League Executive Committee the authority to make sure that Sello gives him his top flight status back. Wow, never heard of that in the history of football. Where we stand now is that the PSL, and I've seen a document from the legal department that says the PSL wants nothing to do with this, and as far as it's still in the High Court and being discussed there, what it says is that should Swallows go on to win the case, they would still have to comply with Article 13 of the NSL handbooks. It means they must prove that they are compliant. They must apply like any other club in the beginning of the season to prove that they've got the monetary, they can handle the monetary situation. They've got the funding to make sure that they are registering and the PSL is not left in the lurch in the middle of the season. So this saga is going to drag on for quite some while, but the PSL said, I'm gonna get some popcorn, hold on and watch as the show unfolds, but whoever wins must still comply with our NSL handbooks. Have you ever seen a situation where potentially we could have a club buying a top flight status and then 2 years later having to return it back? That's the latest saga regarding Swallows and Marumo Gallants. That fight headed to the High Court as both parties continue to tussle it out. Now keep it locked on all my social media platforms for updates of this kind of story and more transfer window related activity as well.